So the Prime Minister is going to be at the BJP headquarters any moment now. You can see the movement of his cavalcade. Let's zoom into that. The Prime Minister will be entering. He has just entered the BJP headquarters. This is the new BJP headquarters at the ITO in Delhi. A big moment for the BJP, a big moment for Narendra Modi himself. Remember, he did road shows, he did rallies across Bihar. That's the kind of, carpet bombing, as we say, of the presence that we see from the Prime Minister himself, the kind of involvement that he ensures when it is about elections across the country. That's what we see when we look at these visuals. Manisha, we are looking at this visual of the Prime Minister arriving at the BJP headquarters. Your thoughts on this?
Modi! 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 Modi!
Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his role in this election and the victory in Bihar. Amitabh.
I think it is very critical, Maria, and we have discussed this many times in the past.
Yes.
That this election marks the entry of national leadership in Bihar
State
politics. Correct. Now you have a Nemo, you can say, Nitish Kumar plus Modi factor work. In our vote vibe trackers, we saw that while 15% of voters were voting in the name of the CM face, 17% of the voters were voting in the name of the prime ministerial face. Even the credit for the Mahila Rozgar Yojana, 17% of voters were giving credit to Prime Minister Modi and 22% to both Modi and Nitish Kumar. So you can say that this fatigue factor which was getting developed for Nitish Kumar, I think Modi realized this and he realized that Nitish Kumar would need a helping hand in this election.
Okay, that
and
he
both
has
of
a
them have come back.
gamcha. That's a gamcha in his hand.
Yeah.
That's a huge symbol again. A message going straight to Bihar. That gamcha hil gaya hai. That he is the man who ensured what was considered impossible in this election. A victory of 202 with that gamcha movement. You know, this is what Prime Minister Modi does. I mean, these are messaging that you see. And he's wearing a scarf, which is again of Mithila painting. Just look at this.
Yeah, I mean, these small gestures and symbols mean a lot. You remember there was a Chhath festival in Bihar. Lalu Yadav's family was participating in the festival. If Rahul Gandhi or Priyanka Gandhi would have visited Lalu Yadav's family during the Chhath festival, then it would have given a sense of unity, sent a message of unity to the cadre and the voters or supporters of Mahagathbandhan. But even that was not done, and you have actually a statement made by Rahul Gandhi on Chhath which created a controversy. So these small symbols of gesture, the understanding of the culture, language, history of state politics is also very important when you are making speeches or when you are conducting rallies in these state elections. And that is where I think the BJP is miles ahead, you would say, of competition, largely the Congress
And
party.
here goes the gamcha again. The gamcha which is associated with Biharis, and the Prime Minister is connecting with the gamcha, the image of a Mithila painting which is there on his scarf. What a message there. How do you describe this?
A message of victory.
A message of victory.
A message of
this is a victory lap.
Unity, a message of motivation to the workers, a message of gratitude also to the workers and supporters who have helped and burnt the midnight oil in achieving this scale of victory in Bihar, which was never imagined.
Aishwarya, look at what the Prime Minister's initial messaging is. The gamcha moment of Prime Minister Modi.
Well, Maria, you know, since morning we are seeing at the BJP headquarters, there are different flavors of Bihar which have been brought to the fore. Be it the snacks that were being served, the breakfast, the quintessential sattu paratha with the bangan chokha that we all had. And then for lunch, there was litti chokha. So, you know, the BJP obviously trying to send out a very clear message that we understand what Bihar wants. Otherwise, the kind of wave that we have seen, the silent tsunami of sorts, because no one, in fact, and let me tell you, even NDA was not projecting this kind of victory, but this is something that has actually happened. They have been able to break the barrier. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in fact, he is the one who everyone is now speaking about, that the kind of development that he's done. Even, Maria, if you remember the road show that he did in the city of Patna, you and I were there, the kind of craze that people had, not just women, but we also saw how, you know, men, youth, the elderly, all of them had come there and all of them were speaking about the kind of development that they have seen over the past 20 years. So that is something that they want, that it should continue, and they want Bihar to shrug off that image that Bihar is a place where no one wants to go, industries do not want to go. So that image Bihar definitely wants to shrug off, and that's the reason why we are seeing this. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi has always been the one making sure that he gives out those signals, those symbols. Let me tell you, the BJP headquarters here in the national capital, each and every nook and corner is now speaking about Bihar, from the food to what the Prime Minister has been wearing, and a very clear message and symbol that we understand what the state of Bihar wants. Maria.
Yes, and the message is also that what Prime Minister did in the run-up to these elections for the last 6 months, he has been traveling to Bihar regularly, Aishwarya, for the inauguration of various infrastructure projects. So the message of the double-engine government was also being reiterated much before the Model Code of Conduct kicked in. Okay.
Well, definitely. And, you know, let me tell you something that I understood today. You know, there were different layers, Maria, and different things simultaneously on which the Bharatiya Janata Party was working at. Let me tell you, there was a door-to-door campaign that they were following. The door-to-door campaign started way back in June, which means that they were speaking about, they understood what what the people wanted way back in June, and then they slowly started working on it. They also understood from the women that the women were very happy with the way they could roam on the streets. The law and order is something that the women were really happy about. But yes, they were trying to figure out what next to do. And for the women, their employment, their financial security was also something that the BJP and the other NDA allies understood way back in June. And that's why you are seeing the kind of schemes that the Bihar government as well as the BJP government at the center, they all came out with, because they were understanding what the people of Bihar want. So this is not something that, you know, they have done in the past 15 days or in the past 1 month. This is something that they had been consistently working towards, at least for the past 6 months.
Modi! 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 Narendra Modi! 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 Narendra Modi! Narendra Modi! Narendra Modi!